We've just learned all about the bash shell and about writing a quick script using bash. In reality, when a program gets a little more complex, we need to turn to another programming language, and there are many, many programming languages available at our disposal. We'll cover many of the common system administration languages used for quick scripts in this section. First up is Perl. Perl was written by Larry Wall, one of the leaders in the open source software movement. Perl was originally derived from the C programming language, as well as some shell programming concepts, the Lisp language, and the string parsing tools awk and sed. Perl's motto is, "There's more than one way to do it." Larry Wall is a linguist at heart and has built Perl based on the principles of natural language design. Perl is tried and true as a programming language and is used in many large websites and projects. It has CPAN, as we indicated before, the comprehensive Perl archive network, including a huge base of modules. You can reuse those modules as libraries in your own programs, so you can avoid writing software that's already been written. There are many reasons to use Perl. A couple of them include extending, updating, or contributing to an existing large Perl project. Perl is also still a good choice as a portable, cross-platform language since it's available on nearly any Unix and Linux system around today. Python is another very common language.
It was created by the Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum, who, along with several others in the open source community, is known as the benevolent dictator for life.
This term is lovingly given to open source authors who maintain projects that are used by a large user base. Python differs from Perl in some important ways. In Perl, we talked about the saying, "There's more than one way to do it." In Python, there's one, and usually only one, obvious way to do it. In Python, they also believe that beautiful is better than ugly, which is kind of a ding against the Perl syntax. In Python, indentation is meaningful and is intended to help with readability. So if you have a line and the line below it is indented by a few spaces, that means something in the Python language. Python has excellent object-oriented support. It's used in large-scale web applications and is great for sharing readable code among a large team. The final language we'll mention here is Ruby. Ruby was written by Japanese computer scientist Yukihiro Matsumoto. His stated goal with Ruby is that it intends to make programmers happy by focusing on creativity. In Ruby, everything is an object, just like as in Python, and there's more than one way to do it, just like as in Perl. Ruby is great for native integration with some of the really popular configuration management tools out there, such as Puppet and Chef. It has a very low learning curve, an obvious syntax, and is very simple to read. Many open source projects are coded in Ruby.